We're going to combine first and last name 5 different ways. You're doing now copying and pasting text into the sheet. So tedious. Use the equal sign, A2, use an ampersand, space, quotes, then another ampersand, B2. We have first and last name. Use formula join. We need to put the space in first, then A3, comma, B3. First and last name with the join. I'd say this is harder only because it is so hard to spell concatenate. Equal sign, concatenate. What a hard one. A4, comma, space, we do B4. Now we got our first name and our last name combined. Extensions, app script, find function, my function, add a function right underneath it. Right function, combine, names, first, comma, last, add curly brackets, return, first, plus sign, space, plus sign, last. We hit Command S. You see that orange button on the left? Goes away. Back to our sheet. All we have to do, type in equals, combine names, A5, comma, B5. And then there it is. We have combined names with scripting. I hope that was fun for you. You can learn to code inside Google Sheets. I have a course called Learn to Code, Intro to Scripting. 4 videos, 30 minutes. You can learn how to write your first script. Don't make any sheets. Make better sheets.